Welcome everybody. Hope you enjoyed part 1 of how to fix a jackhammer. Ed, the old tech guy, did a good job. What we're gonna do now is we're actually gonna get to test it. But before we do that, safety first. Hard hat, goggles, gloves, and steel toes. Are you ready? We're gonna plug it up and we're gonna get to busting up some concrete. So before you ever start using a jackhammer, make sure to call your local utilities. Now, I've done this in the past, so I know where my lines are. This is an old electric pole, and I know one line runs between the tree and the sidewalk, my gas and water on the other side of the house. So let's get busting. Well, it's working. Ed, the old tech guy, did a great job. And pretty soon, we'll have this old light post gone. Man, that was tough. The machine definitely made it easier, but I mean, I can't believe how much concrete they used for that post. I wish the guy who did this would have put that much concrete in the foundation in the back. Anyways, my hat's off to all you guys who work with jackhammers for a living. That's not an easy task. I thought it'd be 1, 2, 3. This little project took over an hour and a half just for this little piece. Now I'm just gonna fill the hole that you saw with the smaller rocks, and then we'll put dirt over it, and this little DIY project is done. All right, guys, don't forget, like, subscribe. See you later. So that fine stuff? I hope you're not looking for part 1 on my channel of that jackhammer video. Part 1 is actually on Ed, the old tech guy's channel. So I'm gonna leave a link, click on it, and you'll see how Ed opened it up and changed the pieces in the jackhammer to make it work. All right, everybody, thanks again for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, J Who channel, and Ed, the old tech guy's channel. And if you're not gonna subscribe, at least give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you liked about the videos or didn't like about the videos in the comments. And don't forget, the name may change, but the J will always remain. See you guys.